Dear students, today we are going to solve some of the problems based on resistors in series and parallel connection. The formula you know very well. For series connection, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and for parallel connection, Rp is equal to 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, depending upon the number of the resistors. Okay. And also, as I told you, if it is asked to find out maximum resistance, means you have to calculate in series. Minimum resistance means you have to use the formula parallel connection. Okay, look at this problem. How can three resistors 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm be connected to give total resistance of 4 ohm and 1 ohm? Okay, here they did not mention to do in series and parallel. Instead of that, how can we get the total resistance 4 ohm and 1 ohm? So, first let us try this series connection. If you are connecting these three resistors, so I can name it given data. R1 is equal to 2 ohm, R2 is equal to 3 ohm and R3 is equal to 6 ohm. Then formula for series connection, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So what it will be? 2 plus 3 plus 6. The answer is 11 ohm. So it is not correct. So here, if you are connecting series, we will not get the answer. So what shall we do? Okay. For example, I am going to connect resistors R1, R2 in parallel. So, shall we draw one small diagram also? R1 is 2 ohm, you know, and other two I am going to connect it in parallel. Okay, parallel connection I am going to do. So here this is 3 ohm and this 6 ohm. Now let me calculate. Now R2 and R3 are parallel. So formula 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So what is it? 1 by R2 is 3, 1 by R3 is 1 by 6. If you are taking cross multiplication, 18, and this is 6 plus 3. So the answer is 9 by 18. 1 by Rp is equal to 9 by 18. So I can cancel it with 2. So Rp is equal to 2. Now we have made these two resistors into a single resistor. Now the resistance is only 2 ohm. Now these two are in series now, is it? We have made these two, for example, now the diagram will be like this. This is 2 ohm after calculating, and this is also 2 ohm. Now you look into both the series. So Rs is equal to R1 and plus now the Rp what you have calculated. So that is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 ohm. So first answer we got it. So when one resistor series and other two are connected in parallel, we are getting the answer 4 ohm. Okay, this is one. Now the next we can try with parallel connection of these three. Okay, parallel means 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. I am drawing the diagram also. Okay, whenever you are in this parallel, here parallel, and here also parallel. This is 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm. Actually, it's the diagram for the parallel connection. Now R1 is 1 by 2, R2 is 1 by 3, R3 is 1 by 6. First we can do with these two. So 6, 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 6. In the next step, 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6. Here numerator same, so we can add it. Sorry, denominator is same. So you can add the numerator. So So the answer will be 6 by 6. 6 by 6 is equal to 1. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 and Rp is also to 1 ohm. Now you got the answer, no? So a problem can be asked based on in this way or directly they will ask you to calculate series and parallel connection. Okay. So you have to try with it. Better you have to draw the diagram also side by side, then it will be easy. Okay dear ones, hope you understood this problem. One more, let us see it now. Look at this problem. How many 176 ohm resistors connected in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere and 220 volt? Okay. Here, what are the data given? Let us see. Data given, I is equal to 5 ampere and potential difference B is equal to 220 volt. Using this, we can calculate R. Total resistance, first you have to calculate. What is the formula? Here we can use it. Ohm's law formula you can use. So, V is equal to IR. B is 220. I is 5, R we are going to calculate. So, R is equal to 220 by 5. Cancelling it with 4. The remaining 4. The answer is 44 ohm. Okay. The question is to get 44 ohm. How many 176 resistors should be connected in parallel? They have asked. So the resistance is 44 ohm. If I am using this one, you are dividing the number. The resistors is 176 resistors. You just divide it by 4 and how many resistors are given? You can calculate where that is the 4. So when 176 resistors are connected in parallel, we can get it 75. Let us try it for that example. For example, we are going to connect 176 with the 4 resistors. Okay, denominator is same. So what will you do? 176. You can add numerator 4. So R can cancel it by 4. Is 4 and 4. So Rp are getting the answer 44. We are getting the total resistance 44 we are getting. So how many 176 resistors can be connected in parallel? Here that means 4. Okay. This is one problem. Today we have solved. Here your textbook's exercise 13th problem. When 220 volt of potential difference has 2 coils of resistance 24 ohm of each. 2 are having each 24 ohm. Calculate current for each case and also in series and in parallel. For 3 cases you have to calculate the current. First we can see what is the data given. V is equal to 220 volt. R1 is 24 ohm and R2 also 24 ohm. From this you can calculate. Now 3 cases you are going to do. First for the case of single resistor. Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. V is 220. Here you are going to take with a single one. So R is 24. So I is equal to 220 divided by 24. You can divide it 220 divided by 24. Means it is 9 times 30, 6, 3, 18 and 21. So 269 times The remaining is 4. So you are putting point and you are adding 0. Then again, how many times it is? 1, 24, 6, 1. Then in 16, how many times 24 is there? 24 into 4, 16, then 1, it goes on. So you can stop it with 9.2 or 1 ampere. For the second case, when resistors are connected in series, the resistors are connected in series means you have to add the resistors first, that is 24 plus 24, now it is 48. Okay, so I is equal to V by R. V is already 220 divided by, here R is 48. Here you divide it by something, you are getting the answer 4.6 ampere, you will get it. And for the third case, resistor should be connected in parallel. So 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24. Numerator is same, denominator is same. So you can add the numerator. So 2 by 24. 2 by 24. Rp is equal to 24 by 2. So the answer is 12. Here the resistance is 12. As per the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. V is 220 volt. I you are going to calculate. Here R is 12. So I is equal to 220 by 12. So here how many times? 1 time. Divide it by 220 by 12. 1 time 12. Remaining 10. And how many times? For example, 8 times. Let us see. 8 times 12 into 8. 16, 1, 9. So 18.96. Then 40. In 40. How many times? 3 times goes on. So the answer here is 18.3 ampere. Here the current is 18.3 ampere. Okay, dear ones, today we have solved 3 problems. Hope you understood it. We can solve in the coming days some more problems. Hope you will thorough with all the terms and also all the formulas.